In the previous video, we talked about how to use warm and cool colors to instantly improve the look and feel of your designs by controlling their mood and visual impact. In this episode, we're going to talk about Canva's newest update, Canva Offline, and the goal here is to help you continue designing even without an internet connection. If you're new here, or even new to the tool we're using, which is Canva, I highly suggest you watch our 20-minute course first before diving into this entire series. It's a short but comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know to master the tool in just 20 minutes. Also, quick disclaimer, if you're serious about becoming a graphic designer, you need to start from the very beginning of this playlist and follow through every episode step by step. Each video is designed to build on top of the previous one, so skipping ahead might cause you to miss important concepts that will affect your progress later on. To start, head over to your Canva account and make sure you're in the projects section where all your designs are stored. Hover your cursor over the design you want, click the three dots on the corner and select Make Available Offline. Canva will then process the file so you can access it anytime, even without the internet. Now that your design is available offline, let's talk about what you can and can't do. In the Elements section, you can still use basic features like shapes, charts, tables, and grids, and you have full control over editing, resizing, repositioning, and coloring, including both solid and gradient options. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. For text, you can still add headings, subheadings, and body text, but you're limited to the fonts already used in your design, although you can still edit, apply effects, and even add animations. In Uploads, you won't be able to access your cloud files, but you can upload images from your device and use them freely, including basic annotations. However, there are limitations. You won't be able to use apps, templates, brand assets, Magic Studio features, and most advanced editing tools except for basic options like shadows. But honestly, from my experience, this feature is a game changer, especially when your internet is slow or completely down and you still need to get work done. There were times where I couldn't rely on my connection, and something like this would have saved a lot of time and frustration. It may not have all the advanced tools, but the fact that you can still design, edit, and stay productive anytime makes it incredibly valuable. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know how to use Canva offline and what features are available so you can keep designing anytime, anywhere. If you want to continue improving, make sure to watch the next episode in this series, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.